Did COVID lockdowns make kids less intelligent? Well, yes. We know that schooling is a huge predictor of many important outcomes, whether it be health, income, or intelligence. And during these COVID lockdowns, what we saw was massive prolonged periods of absence from school, changes in the curriculum, changes in the teaching methods with remote learning. All this amounted to a massive disruption in the learning process during these formative years in a child's brain. Researchers in Germany aimed to explore this, and they took a sample of school children and they took their scores on intelligence testings and compared them to almost identical samples in 2002 and 2012. And what they found was that the general intelligence scores by about 7.62 points when compared to 2002. And what's more is children born during the pandemic actually scored lower as well on standardized testings of verbal, motor, and cognitive tests. In a longitudinal study in Rhode Island that's been running since 2011 showed that kids born after the pandemic were scoring on the Mullen scales of early learning, a score that equated to an IQ average of 78, which was a drop of 22 points when compared to the averages of previous cohorts. The pandemic and the countermeasures taken affected the academic development of so many kids worldwide that simulations suggested it would be the equivalent of losing 0.3 to 1.1 years of learning. We know that losing these school years is just detrimental to the development of these kids. So perhaps it will make us think about future measures that we take, and we do so carefully.